Hey everyone, welcome back to the TikTok Automation Software channel. Let's get straight to it. Here's how you can scan, download, and bulk upload TikTok videos in just a few clicks using MKT tools. First, open MKT Viral. This tool helps you bulk download and manage TikTok videos. Go to Scan Download Video. Select Scan by keyword, type in your keyword, enter how many videos you want, then click Start to begin scanning. Once the scan is done, select all results, right-click and copy. Paste them into the download video section like you see here. Create or select a folder to save the videos. Then hit Start to begin downloading. Alright, now let's move over to MKT Tikpro. Open the software and head to the Viral Marketing section, then click on Upload Video. Next, you'll need to select the TikTok accounts you want to use for bulk uploading. Once selected, set up the number of threads, the delay time between actions, and any other options you want to enable like auto-like, auto-follow, or comment after posting. After that, go ahead and click on General Configuration to finalize your upload settings. So this notepad file I'm using, it's where I write all the captions for the videos I want to upload. Instead of writing one caption per line, I'm using this format. Caption 1, Caption 2, Caption 3. That way, MKT Tikpro will automatically pick one of the captions inside the brackets for each video randomly so your uploads look more natural and less repetitive. It's a simple trick, but super effective when you're posting in bulk. Click on Choose Folder, and select the folder where you saved all the downloaded videos. The software will load everything from that folder, and you'll see the video list appear right away. Now let's set up the video descriptions. You can open a notepad file, write your captions one per line, and import that file directly into the software. Once everything is ready, videos, captions, and TikTok accounts, just hit Start. MKT Tikpro will automatically log into each account and start uploading your videos one by one. If you're managing multiple TikTok accounts, uploading videos one by one just isn't scalable. Using this method, you can post content across dozens, even hundreds, of accounts in just a few minutes. It helps you build content networks, push branding across different profiles, and keep your posting consistent without wasting hours doing it manually. Whether you're growing a niche system or managing a campaign, this feature is a total time saver. So if you want to save time, scale faster, and take full control of your TikTok uploads, the bulk video upload feature in MKT Tikpro is exactly what you need. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automation tips. And if you want help getting started, check out the description or pinned comment for full contact details. You can reach me on Telegram or WhatsApp anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.